The other portion of it that is very concerning is the amount of money that is coming in, not just from the federal government, but the amount of money that is coming from entities such as the Gates Foundation and other private organizations that have a lot of money to spend and to use to hold this up. And right now, education is the money bags. Education right now is where everyone is going to make their money, and it is through assessment, and it is through software and textbooks. And the unfortunate thing is, at the end of the day, we're going to be in the same boat we were in at the end of No Child Left Behind. It didn't work. Common Core won't work.
The National Catholic Education Association took $150,000 from the Bill Gates Foundation to spread this into our Catholic schools. And our archdiocese have to know more, and they have to start listening to parents that are saying, we don't want this in our schools. And we are at a point with the parents where they don't know about Common Core. Parents don't know what this is. They are not paying attention because they think it's just public schools. But then when they think, oh, it might be in our Catholic schools, they kind of do la 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 la, I don't want to know.
Common Core came in the dead of night. It skipped our legislature. It skipped the voters. It skipped the parents. But the cat's out of the bag. We know it doesn't work. We know it's not going to work. We know that there are better options for our children. And it's time for parents to get involved.